BITI stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This is Tuesday. For Tuesday, is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I mean, just in over 2 trillion as of right now, and after the market closed, dollars have been wiped out from the US stock market so far, and that's crazy. You know, it's not a typical day, but even with that, ProShares, because I mean it's the ETF, it's still going up 14% strong. This is, by the way, still gonna mark out this. Why? Because the Bitcoin is down, of course, but if the price manages to pull back down into the supply area and give like the double break, still a price that I take lower. You know, it's just all interconnected, and that's what's previously given me thousands of credit predictions. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy, have a wonderful day for the rest of your day.